explanation, look at the picture. Study the example. 23 minus 12 is equal to 11. 35 minus 22 is equal to 13. Ajit has 257 rupees. Use the picture below and work out how much money he had left over after he gave 150 rupees to Manoj. Hundreds, tens, units. 257 minus 150 is equal to 107. In a cricket match, England scored 245 runs. India scored 123. How many more runs must India make to equal England's score? In order to equal England's score, India must score a total of 245 runs. So we have to find out how many runs they must score after 123 to make a total of 245. That is, 123 plus 122 is equal to 245. We must find out the missing number in this. We shall get it by subtracting 123 from 245. 245 minus 123 is equal to 122.